Old FANUC CRT displays, past their service life, commonly show brightness decay, screen flicker and blurry characters. Before the retrofit, precisely confirm the display. Check the equipment nameplate, verify the model is A61L-0001-0093. Confirm the native interface, 20-pin Honda signal plus DC 24-volt power. This dedicated LCD upgrade module matches the original CRT in size, mounting holes and interface, with wide voltage support. Full in place, non-destructive replacement. Direct plug and play, reuse original screws and cables, no wire cutting, no parameter changes. After the upgrade, the picture is pixel sharp and flicker free, with stable brightness, lower power consumption and a much longer lifespan. Compatible with the full FANUC legacy line, 0, 0i, 16i, 18i, 21i and OM series. Legacy CNC screen upgrade, pure technical sharing.